hearing currently underway in Bombay High Court over former Mumbai top cop Parambir challenging his transfer. Parambir's lawyer says, and I quote, Parambir Singh had informed Sharad Pawar and others, and some ministers were very well aware about the issue of money collection. The letter of Parambir Singh is now being read out. State government says they are anxious to clear out the cloud of allegations. It is affecting the morale of the force. Singh's plea asks for a CBI inquiry into these allegations. Here's a big development here in the Parambir Singh case, the letter bomb that he's dropped. The Bombay High Court now hearing the case. Mustafa Sheikh for more on that. Mustafa, over to you. The Bombay High Court now hearing this case while Parambir's lawyer pressing for a CBI probe and also claiming that many ministers and Sharad Pawar himself knew about the fact that money was being collected in extortion.
Yes, of course. Parambir Singh's lawyer Nankani had made this argument in the Bombay High Court. The hearing is currently on. We are giving you live updates. His lawyer has said that because Parambir Singh is a serving IPS officer, there has to be some credibility on the allegation which he has invoked. What he has also added is that Rashmi Shukla's letter on corruption for transfer adds to what Parambir Singh was saying, and that there was a large malice in the entire Maharashtra police force and it's working under political cloud. This should be investigated. But the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Chief Justice Datta, is of the view that no investigations can take place without an FIR being registered. So the court has asked who is stopping you from registering an FIR in the case. There cannot be an investigation without an FIR being registered. So what overall view of the court at this point of time seems to be is that the investigations, if they are to be done in Parambir's allegations, if Rashmi Shukla's report, it has to be done only after registering an FIR. So the Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice G.S. Kulkarni bench is hearing, judge bench is hearing this case, and they are hearing basically there are Parambir Singh's petition, then there are 2 to 3 more PILs related to the same case which has been filed. The entire case was read out. Advocate General Ashutosh Kumbhakhuni has also said that the state also wants the truth to come out. They are also eager for it, but they cannot jump to conclusion and act in haste, and hence the inquiry commission has been appointed as per the allegations which were made by IPS officer Parambir Singh. So we'll have to wait and see what the last opinion of for the day of the Bombay High Court remains. But at this point of time, the Chief Justice has opined that there cannot be an investigation before an FIR.
Sure enough. Thank you very much, Mustafa, for joining us with those details. Now, under fire over the Maha Hafta Gate, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray himself has announced an inquiry into the allegations of extortion against his own Home Minister, Anil Deshmukh. Maharashtra government has now constituted a one-member inquiry committee. Retired High Court Judge Kailash Chandiwal will investigate this matter. The former Mumbai top cop's charges against Anil Deshmukh of extortion, it will be submitted in 6 months' time. The inquiry will commence in 6 months' time and a report will be filed. The committee will investigate whether there is any evidence to prove any misconduct by the Maharashtra Home Minister or any other members of his staff. In fact, the probe panel will now also examine if there is a need for an inquiry by the Anti-Corruption Bureau against Anil Deshmukh and his staff members. Former Mumbai Commissioner Parambir Singh, meanwhile, has written to the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. That letter, in fact, is what is now being probed. In the letter, he had alleged that Anil Deshmukh instructed suspended cop Sachin Vaze to extort 100 crore rupees per month for him from restaurants and the hospitality sector.
After the Vazes incidents, the Maha Vikas Aghadi itself wanted things to go on in a smooth way, and whatever allegation which was laid by the opposition, Bharatiya Janata Party and other parties. So looking at this, and the press was also demanding, so the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi, under the retired justice, is set up a panel which will investigate everything, and after investigating they will give the report to the government in 6 months.
अब इन आरोप की जांच एक रिटायर्ड जज 6 महीने के दौरान करेंगे, इसकी रिपोर्ट 6 महीने के बाद सौंपेंगे। यानी पूरी तरह से वसूली सरकार की मंशा है। इस मामले को रफा दफा करते हुए ये ठंडे बक्सों में डाला जाए। स्वयं गृह मंत्री अपने पद पर बने हैं, नैतिकता के आधार पर उन्होंने इस्तीफा देने की